Everyone is talking about AI taking jobs in 2026. ChatGPT writes code, Midjourney makes art, and robots deliver food. But here is the truth. Some businesses can't be replaced by AI. These are businesses that solve everyday problems. Businesses people must pay for, no matter how advanced technology gets. So today, I will show you 10 service-based businesses that will thrive in 2026 and beyond, backed by real numbers, data, and stories of how ordinary people achieve their financial freedom through these businesses. And stick around because I'm going to reveal you about number 10, which is a very boring business, but have created more millionaires than most of the flashy startups. And for all this work, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do. It will take a second and help me with the YouTube algorithm. Now let's get started. Number 1, cleaning services, residential and commercial. Even with robots, people want trust and reliability. The US cleaning service market is expected to reach $97.6 billion by 2027. After COVID, people realized that cleaning is really important, and that's why this industry is thriving since then. And now people are more aware of hygiene than ever. I have an example. In Texas in 2018, a couple started cleaning services in just $1,500. By 2024, they were pulling more than $2 million with few part-time employees, and couple themselves played a crucial role in cleanliness during COVID times when people were helpless. And commercial cleaning is even bigger. Schools, gyms, and offices can't rely on part-time workers. They sign recurring contracts. That's stable and scalable income. And overall, it doesn't require a lot of money to start this business. Number 2, home repair and renovation services. First, let me tell you, AI can't fix your leaking roof. You need a human to analyze and to fix it. According to the Harvard Joint Center for Housing Services, the US home repair and remodel market is expected to hit $485 billion by 2026. During pandemic, demand for home improvement surged. People staying at home invested their money on kitchens, patio, and other home repairs. And even today, aging home across United States means ongoing demand. Plumbers, electricians, carpenters, these trades are in short supply. In fact, the Bureau of Labor Statistics shows plumbers can earn up to $60,000, but it's not very difficult for a team of you to scale it to 6 and 7 figures. And that's huge. Again, this is a trade skill and may not require a lot of investment upfront, but has huge potential to earn money. Number 3, fitness and personal training. The fitness industry is not slowing down. According to IBIS World, the US fitness and health club market is expected to hit $33 billion by 2026. And here's the twist. People used virtual reality classes and AI coaching, but still they want accountability and real trainers. Boutique gym, yoga, CrossFit, and personal trainers, they all have built small communities that AI can't replace. And I have a story for you. A former accountant in New Jersey started a boot camp in 2019. By 2025, her studio was generating over $450,000 in revenue with memberships, group classes, and supplements. And this is the point. These small communities are not going to be replaced by AI because people want real people to help them exercise, to help them train, to make them accountable for the progress that they are doing. And so far it seems like AI is not going to replace it. Number 4, pet services. Americans treat pets like family. According to the American Pet Products Association, the US pet industry spent over $148 billion in 2024. By 2026, it is expected to hit over $170 billion. It is expected to keep growing by 5 to 7% annually. And here's the truth. Dog grooming, dog walking, training, and pet boarding, these are all booming industries. Apps like Rover made it mainstream, but local businesses that provide trust and reliability are thriving. And there is a famous story about a single Florida mom who started dog grooming business. She bought a van, invested $30,000, and now clears over $150,000 a year working at her flexible hours. And there are numerous examples like that. And if you talk about big cities like New York City, there are so many services that are thriving, which has pick up and drop off of pets after grooming and training sessions. And that helps a lot of people who have very busy lifestyle, and these services help their day-to-day life. The next business I'm going to talk about is number 5, landscaping and lawn care. According to the Grand View research, the landscaping business in the United States is expected to grow by over $176 billion by 2030. And I see a huge opportunity there. People want clean curbs. HOAs enforces rules and commercial properties pay top dollars. This is one of the easiest service business to start. All you need is a mower, blower and truck. Many teenagers also begin mowing lawns, but with the right team and contracts, this business can scale to 6 and 7 figures very fast. The next business I'm going to talk about is number 6, childcare and senior care. This is one of the most recession-proof business. Childcare centers, babysitting, tutoring, and senior caregiving are exploding as dual income households are increasing in numbers. The US elder care market alone is expected to reach $2 trillion by 2030, and this is the cited AAPR data from Business Insider. With 73 million baby boomers aging, there is a massive demand. There is a story about one such business. A couple in Ohio started a daycare business in 2017. By 2024, they managed to open 3 locations and now are generating $1.2 million annually. And there is a huge potential for this market in coming years. Number 7, food truck and catering. The food truck industry is expected to reach $2.3 billion by 2030. This is the data quoted by IBIS World. Unlike restaurants, food trucks have lower overhead but can scale with events, corporate catering, and festivals. And there is a famous story about a laid-off chef. He started a food truck selling tacos, and within years he expanded it to 3 food trucks and now making over $750,000 per year. And there are endless opportunities in this market. This industry is expected to explode because people really believe in convenience. And that's what is happening. And number 8, delivery and moving services. E-commerce have created endless demands for moving, and Americans are always moving. According to IBIS World, the US moving service industry is valued at $21 billion in 2025. Small businesses that do local delivery, furniture moving, and last mile logistics are in huge demand. And I have a story for you. 2 college grads in Chicago, they started this weekend moving services, and they were able to scale this business to generate over $400,000 per year with small fleet. Number 9, beauty and personal care services. According to Statista, the beauty industry in the United States is projected to reach over $94 billion in 2026. Hair salons, barbershops, nail studios, and skincare clinics are thriving because people want human touch and trust. And you might have seen that people are making videos of these services, generating over $1 million through social media plus the business. And this is growing as we go. And the majority of money is coming from the social media than from the service itself. So these are the smart strategies that people are putting in place to generate money and start this service-based businesses. And number 10, waste management and recycling services. Unsexy but a gold mine. According to the Allied Market Research, the global waste management industry is projected to hit over $2.5 trillion by 2030. Yes, you heard me right. Businesses, apartments, and events constantly need junk removal, recycling, and disposal. Companies like 1-800-GOT-JUNK got famous and became multi-million-dollar business from this boring but essential service. I remember a man in Denver started this junk removal business with just a pickup truck. By year 3, he was generating over $600,000 in revenue. These 10 service businesses are not flashy. They don't rely on AI, they don't require millions in funding, and it looks like they will not be replaced by any technology anytime soon. So here's the lesson. Wealth often comes from solving everyday problems consistently. If you pick one of them, stay consistent, stay disciplined, and scale with systems. You could build not just income, but generational wealth. So which of these service businesses you are going to start in 2026? Let me know in the comments below. And so far, if you have watched this video, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.